naka-silver short po, taga-Manila po yan. Naimbitan natin sa Manila at pinagpahal tayo na makikilaro sila dito sa ating lugar na Ampuga. At yung kalaban niya is representative ng Ampuga, si Sandres Nanayna.
Yes, again, after this bout, we will be having a 10-minute break for our main event.
Nice honors, boy, Yan Handon from October. Yan ang tawag ng Christian, tukod.
Oo, tumutukod siya.
Tutukuran lang ng tingin mo, ikot siya.
Oo, tukod. Ikot.
While the referee doesn't stop the contest, you have to continue the level punch to kick. No holding yan.
No clinch.
Holding is absolutely forbidden. Turning pocket kick from the Manila boy, Gerald Galante. Ayan po, samantala natin nagkapula lang. Naka-point at trunk ay si Shendrix Yan Handon. Nakarito po siya. Nice coming back. Honors to the ties. 10 seconds.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Bomba.
Time. And round 3. Sportsmanship. That was a
Panasyon. Always eight to the one. Yeah. Okay, and the winner via unanimous decision from Ampuga, Sandres Nanayna. Congratulations, Sandres Nanayna. Okay, we have a 10-minute break. Pasalamat yan tayo kay Gerald Galante. Salamat sa pagpapalak sa aming paglaban at pagpunta rito sa Baguio. Baguio may dikit, especially here at Ampuga Bitogon. Yan. Bukas, mamasyal ka bro, ha? Maraming magandang lugar dito.